Claude Mythos is back. I've turned its edge into an automated trading bot. I'm Michael, and this guide covers the full setup step by step so you can deploy this system immediately. Let's dive in.
What you're seeing is my bot's balance and a complete transaction record from the last 24 hours. The bot has been operating autonomously for nearly 20 hours and has been producing profitable transactions every few hours. I gave Claude a single task: create a secure and gas-efficient arbitrage bot for decentralized exchanges running on Ethereum. The output genuinely exceeded expectations. Claude generated a real-world smart contract complete with professional architecture, optimized trading logic, and robust security systems. The bot works by continuously scanning decentralized exchanges and identifying temporary differences in token pricing. When it finds an opportunity, it executes an atomic buy and sell transaction before the market can adjust. The best part is that the generated code is already deployment ready. Claude has effectively removed the most difficult barrier for non-programmers. In this video, I'll show the entire workflow and the actual on-chain results generated by this AI-driven trading bot. Your first task is to have a Web3 wallet ready in your browser. Any Ethereum wallet is acceptable. I'm using MetaMask. On a phone, you must use the browser inside the wallet app. Your next task is to open the online development platform linked in the description. We will compile and deploy the contract from there. Create a new file and give it any name. Then paste the contract source code into it. The code is open source and includes comments explaining each part. Look at the first line of the file to find the correct compiler version. Go to the compiler tab, pick that version, activate auto-compilation, and press compile. After that, go to the deployment tab. Choose your wallet, connect it, and authorize the connection. If it works, your wallet address and Ethereum balance will be shown. This means you are connected. Press deploy and watch for a success message. You'll need some Ethereum to pay the transaction fee. And that's the whole process. Your trading bot is now on the Ethereum network. A simple control interface will appear below. Before adding funds, confirm the contract owner address is your wallet address. This step is mandatory for control. Copy the contract's public address and deposit Ethereum. The minimum is 1 Ethereum, but I strongly advise 2 Ethereum or more. This gives the bot enough working capital. Using less than 1 Ethereum means gas fees could wipe out your balance. My personal setup uses 18 ETH and earns 6.5 to 8 ETH daily. But for this guide, I am using 2 ETH. Perfect. The Ethereum is in the contract. Return to the platform, click the Start button, and confirm the transaction. For the next day, every successful arbitrage will be a real blockchain transaction you can see on Etherscan. The bot's deployment is complete, and it is now active. One day later, we can observe the results on Etherscan. My balance now totals just under 3 Ethereum. That's a quite impressive result. The operation was seamless and entirely error-free. To withdraw your funds, click Withdraw. Wait for the network confirmation and refresh your wallet. The full Ethereum balance is returned instantly as just demonstrated. Please be aware, this content is for educational purposes. I am not a financial advisor, and this should not be taken as investment advice. I am a blockchain hobbyist sharing a personal project. This is not a recommendation. For those interested in this experiment, all resources are linked in the description, along with my Telegram for assistance. Subscribe to the channel, share your experience in the comments, and until next time.